My name is Anthony Johnson, and I'm a social entrepreneur. My history with mental health is that I have had mental issues, as has everyone. I think that everyone of any age goes through periods of time where they're confronted with mental issues that are a result of the stages of development of life. So having to deal with coming out was a huge mental issue because there was a lot of fear around that. There was a lot of concern about social stigma. I'm also Native American and I grew up on the reservation, but I'm half white. So there was a lot of mental anguish around, do I fit in?
What do we want? Right! When do we want it?
Now! Walking along the route was really emotional because it was the youth who asked us to come up to share tips about how to build allyship and how to bring this message to their community because it's hard for them. And to see the excitement, to see the pride, to see the people waving on the street was it was a life moment that I can't take back, and I'm just really grateful. And I really hope that people can see what this community is doing and bring it to all corners of Canada because, you know, there's still hate out there, there's still discrimination, there's still homophobia, transphobia, and it's when a community comes together like this that people really see each other, see one another, and that's such a strong message for young people of inclusivity and diversity and love.
Who would be sad if you weren't at home with your family at the end of today? I'd be sad. It wouldn't be a good feeling, right? And so what we're doing today by wearing these shirts and by honoring those people who went to residential school is to say, we get that something happened to you and we're going to make a difference for the future. We can carry ourselves with pride. We can agamemno